Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you how to draw octagon using repeat command. Octagon has 8 sides. So repeat command, when we write, it will be repeat 8 because there are 8 sides. Repeat and then number of sides. 8 sides are there, so repeat 8, curly bracket. The command is almost same, FW100 or 50, whatever size you want. I can give 50 also. If we want a smaller octagon, we can give 50. If we want a bigger octagon, we can write 100. Depends on you. Then TR 360 divided by 8. 360 divided by 8 is 45. So either you can write direct 45 or you can just write the formula 360 divided by 8. The number of sides and the 360 divided by that number of sides, these two numbers should match. 8 sides, so 360 divided by 8 only. As soon as we press enter, we get an octagon on the canvas.